Okay, so I have a Retie appointment this morning, and my kids aren't even dressed yet. And we got one kid in here. I just had to perform surgery on Sam. Let's see, buddy. Let's see.
Oh, Sam!
I pulled his tooth out. He's all messed up about it, but he'll be okay. What?
What's that red stuff?
It's a little bit of blood. See, I told you it didn't even hurt.
No.
Anyway, so it's only 7:18, and I'm already pulling out teeth and everything, and I'm about to be late for my Retie appointment. It doesn't hurt.
I want to turn around. Cheese.
All right, so Noah Grace is all ready to go. Looking cute. I could do a twirl in your outfit, Noah Grace. Okay. Well, I guess she doesn't want to be having a picture of her. So I just want to give y'all a real quick look. Don't mind the laundry behind me. My hair, my edges are just starting to look kind of fuzzy. So this is one where I was able to get in 4 weeks. My next one's going to be over that because it's like the end of March. But there's that side of it. Okay, so I got Noah Grace dropped off, and I am about to get ready to get to my Retie appointment. Today is gonna be a really cool day, really good day, because it's my birthday. I usually don't even get excited about birthdays, but today, I don't know, it's just like a free day. Well, not free because I have to go to this appointment, but I got a lot of stuff to do today. I gotta get my eyebrows done today. Tonight, I'm gonna go to Chewy's with my family. And unfortunately, here, there's not very much to do because I'm in little Arkansas. And so it's like chain restaurants, and of all the choices that I have, that's the one that I like the best. So that's where we're going. And Matt got me a ding dong cake and like a really cute, I'm such a book nerd. Like I love reading. And so he got me a Pemberley sweatshirt from Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, you know, because he's like the Duke of Pemberley or whatever. And so I got that. I got an Amazon gift card. My best friend got me this super cute, God, there's so much traffic. One of these. She actually got me 2 of them. This is like a cheetah print one because I love cheetah. And then she got me this gold one too. And so I got those, and I don't know, it's just a really good day today. Oh, where'd my sunglasses go? So I'm excited about the day, and Matt is off today, so we get to hang out together before, after I get done, and until I have to pick up Sam from school at 3:30. And then today is Tuesday, which means that we're going to the library because we go to the library every Tuesday. I think I'm gonna make it on time. Unfortunately, we didn't get to stop for donuts. And yeah, I also need to go source some fabric for my headrest covers. Check it out. If you haven't seen these, they're about to be on sale on my shop. It helps so much when I lean back and I don't nap up the back of my hair, and it's kind of like, you sleep with the bonnet on and then your head rubs against your seat. And so they're really cool too because you can take it off, and so it makes it to where you can put it on other stuff. So like if I'm depending on what type of seat it is, I can also use it on other seats too. So anyway, headrest covers coming soon along with other things in my lock shop. You can buy all things locks, t-shirts, and things to help protect your hair and all that stuff. I've never done an appointment this early in the morning before, because I usually come after I get off of work. But since I have multiple appointments, I was like, okay, yeah, I will go ahead and come at 8. So this will be a new experience. Always right here, Karen. Hello, I'm vlogging today. Well, it's my birthday, so I've been yeah.
And of course, it's like, well, my cousin and this person and that person.
So I just got my hair retied. It's looking super cute. You guys can see a little bit of the sides, and my favorite part is always that my edges aren't fuzzy anymore. So just did that. It's been a great birthday so far. It took a little bit longer this time because I had some slippage across the back. But oh, and it always smells so good too, nice and soft and just so fresh Retie 10-yell. About to go get me something to eat and meet up with my husband. We are on our way to my birthday party and super cool. Say hi, Matt.
Well,
No, great.
tired and hungry.
Hi. We are hangry. That's the word you want to say. So hopefully there's not a lot of people in here, and all of the people that are supposed to be there are there on time because we're ready to eat. We had such a good afternoon though. We went and got the kids and we went to the library, and I forgot to film, but they have this escape box thing where the kids have to follow clues, and this month's theme was love and Black History Month, and then they follow all the clues and it leads them to these locks they have to unlock, and then they get a prize, which is like gummy snacks and like, you know, goldfish and stuff, but they love going to that. So we went to that today, and then we got our driveway estimated because we have to redo that. I worked on some business stuff for the launch at the end of the month, so look out for that. And yeah, now we're about to go eat. It's been an awesome birthday. I really think so. Got to spend time with my honey buns. Did you enjoy spending time with me, Matt? Whatever. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ted. Happy birthday to you. Yay! I am. I'm 99.
How
You're not even supposed to say your own birthday stuff. Somebody else is supposed to say it.
How old are you?
Yeah, I already ate pizza.
She's asking you, how old are
I'm
you?
turning 99.
Oh my God.
304.
Lord, I'm running, trying to make 100 every time.
Sam, how old is your mom?
Say 3 and 4.
I'm 34.
I know.
You already-
34.
Oh, we can share it. I'm taking it.
So we are currently making Valentine's. My mom has a little shop. I'll tag it in the link below, but she has this little shot. So she made these. It's just super cute. So we just like got a little thing, and I'm putting a lollipop in there, and it says,
She's not getting this.
I'm a sucker for you. So that's what we're doing now. It's really funny because even though it's my birthday, it's still the same mom stuff. Clothes for tomorrow and all that. Noah Grace, we just went out to dinner and she still wanted to eat Lucky Charms. So there she is eating Lucky Charms.
What?
Say hi, Noah Grace. It was a great day. So I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for another year. Here's to another one. Good night.